Hi everyone, I'm Pawan, co-founder and CEO of ShieldSquare. At ShieldSquare, we are solving one of the major problems faced by online businesses today. That is from the automated attacks from bots and scrapers. Let us take some examples. This is a popular content portal. They have a lot of news items. They spend a lot of time creating unique content. But unfortunately, the moment they publish a new article, the same gets replicated at 3 different places. And some of these other sites have better page ranks than them. So Google shows them, and these guys lose traffic. Let's take another example. This is a #1 property portal in France, right? So they spend again a lot of money to get unique listings of the properties. And again, as you see, that gets replicated at multiple places the moment it gets published. So these guys are spending so much money to build unique content and get scraped, right? It's not only for content sites. This is a travel site, and all the competitors are scraping their prices and kind of outprice them. So effectively, whatever pricing strategy they're trying to kind of implement, it doesn't get any results. And it's not only for travel sites, it's also same for all e-commerce sites, right? There is a pricing manager who spends a lot of time identifying or implementing the right pricing strategy, but it never works because the competitors are scraping the prices using these bot programs. And also these bots are used to create a lot of spam. I mean, this is one of the popular tech forum, right? And you can see a lot of spam that comes because of these bot programs. So summary, right? So these bots are a nightmare for these online businesses who are into different things, whether it's being in the e-commerce, content space, right, or social media, etc. So what we do at ShieldSquare, help these guys to differentiate what is good traffic coming to their site and what is bad traffic, and empower them to take action on these bad traffic, right? I mean, they can either block them or show captures. In fact, a lot of e-commerce sites use our solution to feed fake prices to these competitors so that they're effectively gamed and they cannot actually kind of impact their pricing strategy. So how we do that? We have kind of combination of technology elements, including dynamic Turing tests, which are invisible to the end users, and user behavior analysis, etc., to identify these bot patterns with 0 false positives. So in this process, none of the genuine users get impacted. And we provide a very easy to integrate mechanism by just putting a piece of code or API onto any website or mobile app to achieve this bot protection. So in terms of the competitive landscape, there are few players in this space, but we are the ones who offer a comprehensive solution, including protection in the web mobile channels, as well as completely non-intrusive, right? I mean, it doesn't impact the end user or the end website during this process. We process billions of page views on a monthly basis, have customers across 68 countries. Some of the popular brands across each of these geographies trust us to protect their competitive advantage using ShieldSquare system. So we have 50+ member team. This is our second startup in the security space. We have earlier worked in this space at various companies, and we're doing this for the last 3 years. Yeah, thank you.